Welcome to MHS One of the Weather. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Take a look outside. We have a current temperature of 22 degrees, dew point at 19, barometer at 29.97 inches. And it is falling ever so slightly right now under partly cloudy skies. Looking out over Gillette Stadium this morning, taking a look at current temperatures, 28 in Boston, 33 in Washington, D.C., and even 30 in Atlanta. That's some cold air for them. And 69 at Miami. That's there, the warm spot this morning. You take a look at the bulk of the country is under this cold air, although in the Boston area, as I am showing right now, we're not as cold as we were yesterday. You can see mid-30s out towards Cape and the Islands, right around the 20s in Boston, and even 20s up north. So it's not it's cold, but not the type of cold that we had to deal with yesterday. These are the current wind chills right now. You'll notice teens mainly across the Boston area, much better than yesterday, right around 0 up north. To go into the negative wind chills, you have to go way up into Canada to get any negative wind chills this morning. And this is the wind chill for later on for 4 p.m. today. As you'll notice, much warmer today than it was yesterday. And this is the reason the winds have shifted to the southwest rather than just from the the winds have shifted from the southwest rather than the northwest, which is creating those temperatures to warm up ever so slightly. And this is the current surface analysis. Notice we have a little bit of a front over our area right now, but the bulk of the nation is very, very quiet. A tiny low pressure system out towards the Denver area, but that's not really creating any nuisance right now. A little bit of precipitation out towards Texas, but this is all not too heavy. But the bulk of the nation is very quiet. Taking a look at the surface analysis closer in our area, you'll notice this front out towards our area. A few snow showers out towards the northern regions of New York. But other than that, very quiet. A few clouds out towards the west. Those are going to be moving in throughout the day today, so it'll be a mix of sun and clouds for today. Taking a look at the projected temperatures for today, Boston is at 38. I think this model is a little bit overdoing it. I think it'll actually be a few degrees colder than that. New York at 38 as well, and the warm spot is the Florida coast at 82. And the cold spot would be the northern border. They are going to be in the lower 20s for today. Taking a look at the projected temperatures for tomorrow, 37 in Boston. Once again, I think this is a little bit overdoing it. 39 in New York City. The warm spot is the Florida coast, right around 80. The coolest spot. It's going to be a little bit of a tie between the northern regions of Vermont and Maine and the Canadian border. And taking a look at your MHS One of the Weather 5-day. Saturday, we're looking at a high temperature of 34 under partly sunny skies. Sunday, 35. Now, I can't rule out the risk of a snow shower or two, but anything that will fall will be very, very light, so I'm really not concerned about any accumulations. Monday, we're looking at a high temperature of 33 under partly cloudy skies. Tuesday, 39 with partly cloudy skies as well. And Wednesday, we're looking at a high temperature of 40 under partly cloudy skies. Now, there is some light at the end of the tunnel. I am looking at temperatures for Thursday could possibly reach 50 on Thursday next week, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Well, I'm also tracking a storm for Thursday as well, but too far out to really give any details at this point. Thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to my Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS103 Weather.